Okay, in today we are going to see example number 2.1. Before we proceed for this numerical, always I am telling you one thing only, and that is try to read question two times properly. Concentrate on questions properly, and then whatever data are given in the question, take it out, and based on that, which equation is useful for you, that you have to apply. And finally apply it in a final equation if you have indirect data in the question. Okay, so this is simple concept to solve any type of numerical in physics, because as you know that in physics each and every numericals have different pattern, different question, different pattern, and different solution. So it is my humble request to read question properly, and just try to what is called pay attention properly, try to focus on the theory, and based on that apply equation. So this is simple logic to solve numericals. Now let's see today's numerical example number 1. Illustration is there. Here we have two questions. First one is that calculate the potential at a point P due to a charge of 4 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb. Here we have a data 4 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb located at 9 centimeter away. Okay, so here we have to find out potential, electric potential, a simple question we have. And the second question we have B, hence obtain the work done in bringing a charge of 2 into 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb from infinity to the point P. So here we have one more data for second question, 2 into 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb charge that we have to bring from infinite position. Okay, does the answer depend on the path along which the charge is brought? Okay, over here we have two questions. First of all, you have to find out work done, and then you have to analyze, means you have to give your conclusion. Is it your path, whatever you choose, that is depend on the charge is brought or not? Okay, so we have two questions over here. Now let's see how to solve this numerical. So in first question, question number A, we have data, a simple data, that is Q. Charge is already given 4 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb, and the distance is given in centimeter. Okay, so over here first of all you have to convert it into MK system. So as we know that centimeter to meter means 0.09 or 9 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Now here we know the electric potential due to point charge, which is V equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R. Simply we can simply replace this value by putting one constant K. So another question we have KQ upon R, and as we know that the value of K is 9 into 10 raised to 9 Newton meter square per coulomb square. Remember this value because no one will provide this value in numericals. Okay, so this is basic value. Otherwise you have to go for epsilon, which is 8.85 into 10 raised to minus 12 c square per Newton meter square. Okay, by using that value you will get approximate this value only, so you can directly apply this one also. Now put the value of K, which is 9 into 10 raised to 9, value of Q, which is 4 into 10 raised to minus 7 coulomb, and a value of R, which is 0.09 meter. Okay, now find your by just calculate it and find your answer in electric potential. Remember, while you are solving numerical, you must have to write its unit in a proper manner. Okay, its unit in proper manner, which is very important. Okay, now we are moving towards another question, that is question number B. We have to find out work done in bringing a charge of 2 into 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb from an infinity. So we have a simple theory of electrostatic potential energy. There we show work done converts to energy. So here charge multiplied by potential. So charge, here we have 2 into 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb. It is already given in the data, and whatever voltage electric potential you found from a point that you have to substitute over here and find out your work done. For work done, our unit is joule, so you have to find out your answer in joule. Okay. Another question we have, does the answer depend on path along which the charge is brought? So answer is no, work done will be independent of path. So this is the conclusion. Okay, so this is simple numerical. That's all for today. Hope you understand this numerical properly. If you have any doubt in this question, ask me. Okay, till then, bye bye. Thank you very much, and pay attention, focus on study in this crisis. Thank you very much.